Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace an image in Canva. This is a super useful skill when you're updating designs, swapping out photos, or just experimenting with different visuals in your project. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to have your design open in Canva. Once you're in your design workspace, click on the image you want to replace. You'll notice that when you select it, a blue border appears around the image, indicating that it's now active and ready to be modified. This is the image you'll be swapping out with your new one. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. Look for the option labeled Uploads and click on it. This section is where all your personal files and images are stored within Canva, making it easy to access and manage the content you've uploaded to the platform over time. Now, once you're in the Upload section, you'll see a button that says Upload Files. Go ahead and click on it. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to navigate through your folders and select the new image you want to use in your design. Choose the image file from your computer and click Open to upload it into Canva. You'll see the image appear in your Uploads library once it's finished uploading. Here's where the magic happens. Click and hold on your newly uploaded image, then drag it directly onto the old image in your design. As you hover it over the existing image, you'll notice that Canva will highlight the area and the new image will snap into place. This snapping feature ensures that your new image fits perfectly into the same dimensions and position as the old one. Once you see it snap into place, release your mouse button and the replacement will be complete. The old image is now swapped out with your new one, maintaining the same size and placement in your design. If you need to make any adjustments to how the new image looks within its frame, simply double-click on the image. This will allow you to adjust the crop or reposition the image within its boundaries. You can zoom in or out, move the image around, and fine-tune exactly what portion of the image is visible. This gives you full control over the final appearance and ensures your design looks exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've successfully replaced an image in Canva while keeping your design layout intact. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.